Okay, more on solving one-step equations, this time with multiplying and dividing. So I've got my x, this time attached to a 5 by multiplication. I've got 5 times x equals 30. Got to figure out what x is. So we're going to divide, because dividing is the opposite of multiplication. In order to isolate the x, we have to undo what's been done to x. X has been times by 5. We're going to do the opposite and divide. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. We're going to check our work by substituting the value we got. So in place of the x, we have empty parentheses waiting to substitute the value. 30 equals 30, so we know we did it correctly. Okay. Again, variable can be on the right, that's fine. What's attached to the variable? A negative 2. How is the negative 2 attached to the x? Multiplication. So we undo it by dividing. It's a negative 2. Again, our goal on that side is to get a 1, to get 1x, to get x alone. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and so we get x equals negative 7. Positive 14 divided by negative 2 is negative 7. Checking our answer, empty parentheses where there used to be an x, substitute, negative 2 times negative 7 is 14. So we know that one's okay. These are the ones that threw my students the last time we had a little test. So, what's been done to x is x has been divided by 4. What's the opposite of dividing by 4? Multiplying by 4. So we're going to multiply by both sides by 4. If it helps you to put a 1 under the 4 on the right side, go for it, but it's not going to make any difference. We're going to be able to cross cancel there, and we get x equals 36. We're going to check it. So once again, we've written the equation again with empty parentheses where we used to have an x. Kind of ugly parentheses, but that's okay. We're going to plug in the 36, and that substitution shows we're right. 36 divided by 4 is 9. We have a correct answer. And one more, because these are the tricky ones. This time it's on the left. X divided by 7 is what's on the left. How do we undo that? We're going to multiply both sides by 7, and 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. We're going to check it. Empty parentheses, ready for our substitution. Putting negative 21 in there. Negative divided by positive is a negative, so we got negative 3. We are correct.